Hello friends, welcome to the HSC Coach. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that almost every student is confused about. NIBOSH or OSHA, which certification pays more salary in 2026? And more importantly, which specific course should you choose so your money is not wasted? Because doing the wrong course means losing time, losing money and missing better opportunities. So let's start honestly based on real market demand, not internet hype. First, let's talk about India. And this is the ground reality. In India, most companies do not specifically ask for NIBOSH or OSHA. They usually ask for ADS diploma or state government safety diploma. That's what HR departments prefer. Even if you have NIBOSH or OSHA without ADS, many companies will not shortlist you. Now coming to salary in India. Freshers usually get around 15,000 to 25,000 per month. With 2 to 5 years experience, 30,000 to 45,000 per month you can get. Senior safety officers or managers can earn 50,000 to 80,000 plus depending on the project. So for India, ADIS plus experience gives better returns than only NIBOSH or OSHA. Now let's talk about NIBOSH. If you are planning for Gulf or international jobs, this is where NIBOSH becomes very powerful. But many students ask me which NIBOSH course. Very simple. If you are a beginner or officer level, go for NIBOSH IGCs. Means International General Certificate. This is the most demanded course in the Middle East. Most job postings clearly mention NIBOSH IGC mandatory. Salary in Gulf countries in 2026 look like this. Freshers with NIBOSH IGC can get around 4,000 to 6,000 dirham per month. With 3 to 5 years experience, 6,000 to 10,000 dirhams you can get. Senior or manager level roles, 12,000 dirhams or even higher you can get. So clearly we can see here is the strong salary growth. And if you want management positions, go for NIBOSH diploma for better promotions and higher packages. Now let's talk about occupational safety and health administrations means OSHA. In India, OSHA is rarely asked by companies, very rarely. It is not treated like a main qualifications. Even in the Gulf, OSHA alone will not give you high salary jobs. It only adds extra value to your CV. But here is something important. OSHA is actually very useful if you plan to work in the United States. In the United States, OSHA certifications like OSHA 30 constructions or OSHA 30 general industry are widely accepted. Many companies prefer or require OSHA training, and the salary level is much higher there. In the US, safety officers or safety specialists typically earn around 45,000 to $70,000 per year. With experience, it can go $80,000 or even more. So OSHA has strong value specifically for the US market, but not much impact in India or Gulf. So let me make it super simple for you. If you want to work only in India, focus on ADS first. If you want Gulf or international jobs, choose NIBOSH IGCs. If you want senior or manager roles, go for NIBOSH diploma. If you want to work in the United States, OSHA is very useful. And if you just want extra knowledge, you can add OSHA anytime. This is the smartest and most practical career path in 2026. So finally, which certification pays more? For India, ADS plus experience. For Gulf and internationals, NIBOSH clearly pays more. For the US market, OSHA works well. Choose based on your target country, not trends or advertisement. If this video helps you, hit the like button, comment below where you want to work, India, Gulf or US, and subscribe to the HSC Coach for real practical safety career guidance. So see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep learning.